Manufacturing industries play a key role in the development of a country. They are considered essential for progress and help nations move forward in many ways. One important reason why manufacturing industries are valued is that they increase a country's national income. When industries grow, the economy also develops and the country becomes financially stronger. Manufacturing industries provide jobs to many people. This helps reduce unemployment and gives citizens work, supporting families and strengthening communities across the nation. When a country develops its industries, it does not have to depend only on agriculture to support its economy. This balance helps the nation become more stable and prosperous. Manufacturing industries also help make agriculture more modern. They produce machines and fertilizers that farmers can use to grow more crops and work more easily. Industries produce important tools, tractors, and fertilizers that aid farmers. This support from industries helps agriculture grow and become efficient in the country. Industries also make goods that are exported to other countries. By exporting products, industries earn valuable foreign exchange that strengthens the nation's finances. When new factories open in less developed or backward regions, they bring jobs and growth to those places. This helps towns and villages develop and improves local living standards. As industries develop, people have access to better jobs, education, healthcare, and services. This improves everyone's standard of living in the country. In conclusion, manufacturing industries are essential for development. They support both the economy and society, making them an important part of a country's progress. Let's quickly revise. Manufacturing industries help in economic growth, provide employment, boost exports, and support regional development in the country. Question 1. Why are manufacturing industries important? They promote economic growth, provide jobs, and support overall development in the country. Question 2. How do industries help agriculture? They provide tools, machinery, and fertilizers that assist farmers in their work. Next, we will learn about classification of industries. Stay tuned to understand how industries are grouped and classified for study.